Hi everyone. So we want to start finger drumming, or we already started finger drumming, but we want to make sure that we have the right foundation. And the right foundation is to be using these three fingers: hi-hat, snare, and kick. This finger is really strong to keep up the tempo. So if you play the hi-hat, it goes like this. You can add the kick on the 1 and the 3, or you can play the snare on the 3. So this simple exercise allows you to work the independency of your three fingers, and once you have this, once you master this, you can be playing house or hip hop or other genres, and you'll be able to lay out some simple drums, some more complicated one, and by finger drumming you'll be able to record the velocity so that your drumming will be more real and it will feel more right. So if you go for something like house, you can 4 on the floor. You can also add the other hand to play some ghost notes or some ghost kicks when you play the hip hop. I'll show you. And again, if you want to be training and playing finger drumming, I highly recommend the layout of the drum that I'm showing on the screen, to have a kick, a snare, and hi-hats. I did a previous video, I put you the link below, where I put the most efficient drum rack that you'll need and that will be useful for all your tracks, and this you'll be able to use to kickstart any project. So with that being said, let's jam. Ooh. Hey, did you hit that subscribe button? And if you have any question or comments, down below.